Looking for ideas for your ebook? If you're looking for ideas for ebooks so that you can actually develop your ebook and finally get started as a Christian entrepreneur online, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you quite a few resources that you can use to find ideas for ebooks, especially if you're in the Authortube community. Welcome, sis. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of Godlywood Girl, creator of the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit, and my purpose in life is to connect you with the resources you need to achieve your purpose in life. So, in response to that mission, today's Godlywood Girl video is sponsored by the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit, my brand new online digital program where I show you how to write and self-publish your own Christian book online, including how to write and self-publish a prayer journal, how to write and self-publish a planner, how to write and self-publish a daily devotional, and how to write and self-publish a nonfiction book. There's literally nothing like this on the market available right now because I created it specifically with Christian women for Christian women of Christ like you in mind, who the Lord purposed to be an author. So make sure you click the link in the description box below to check out the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit right now. And if you're ready to discover ideas for ebooks and resources and sources that you can use for free to figure out some great ideas for ebooks, make sure you grab your pen and paper, get ready. This is going to be a pretty exciting video. So step one for ideas for ebooks is to write down any topics that you're interested in writing about. When you're writing an ebook, you want to make sure that it's something that you are passionate about writing. Now, for some people, it can be really, really quick to write your own ebook. I know for me, praise God, I can write a book in 1 or 2 hours now, right? But the thing is that marketing that ebook is going to take up at least 3 to 6 months of your life, maybe longer. You need to make sure you're passionate about the topic of your ebook because in order to make sales, you're going to have to do marketing. You're going to have to be answering customers' emails about that topic. You're going to be hosting live streams and posting IGs and doing blog posts and creating YouTube videos all about this topic to generate traffic to your ebook to make sales. So it needs to be something that you can find yourself talking about for quite a few years. I know for me, I wrote a book back in the day called The Complete Ad Makeover for Women. Whew, child, it was a very popular topic and it was selling pretty well when I first put it out. But I had no interest in doing marketing for that book. When my readers would ask me questions, I had no interest in doing the research to answer their questions. And so I quickly took that book off the market because I was just so not passionate about teaching fitness. My husband's a fitness trainer, so God purposed him to do that. But for me, I like teaching you about purpose. I like teaching you about funnels. I like teaching you about business, not about fitness. So make sure that it's something that you're actually passionate about. It needs to start from what you're interested in teaching. So grab a sheet of paper and write down all the things that you would be interested in writing an ebook about. Step number 2 for ideas for ebooks, of all the things that you wrote down, pick the topic that you find most intriguing. And then we're gonna go to Amazon.com. We're going to put in the books category, and then we're going to start typing in that topic you selected. What's so cool about Amazon is that they try to make search as easy as possible for their users. And so what they'll do is they'll autofill the top 10 search phrases people are typing in about that topic. So you now have free market research on the top 10 solutions people are looking for within your topic. Let me demonstrate this for you in my computer. Okay, sis, so here we are on Amazon, and what you do is just go to Amazon.com, and then this right here is your search bar. So right here where it says all departments, you just change this to books, and then you just start typing in your topic to see what Amazon autofills. So let's say that, ironically, I want to create a book about abs. What I would do is start typing in abs, and now I see that abs diet, abs workout, abs diet for women, abs diet book, abs for women, and abs book are the most commonly searched phrases. So I'll write these down, and now I know that any of these topics are going to be the most popular search topics on Amazon under the books category. Step number 3, of the topics that you wrote down, we're going to do the same exact thing, except this time we're going to use Google.com. Google also does the same exact thing as Amazon. They want to make search as easy as possible for their users. So when you start typing in a topic, they autofill the top 10 popular phrases people actually type in for that topic. So now you have free market research of what people are actually looking for within your topic. So go ahead and go to Google.com and start typing in your topic and take a look at what Google autofills. And each of those are a phenomenal idea for an ebook. Let me jump into the computer and show you how to do this step by step. All right, sis, so the next tool we're using is google.com, and this is the Google search bar. So once again, I'm just gonna start typing in abs workout. So now I've got abs workout at gym, abs workout women, abs workout routine, abs workout men, abs workout plan, abs workout at home, abs workout standing. So I know that these are the most popular phrases searched on Google under abs workout. So I would write these down. Step number 4 is to also use Google again. Now, and for Google, if you scroll down after you put in a search topic, if you scroll down, you're going to see a section on the screen that says people also ask. This is a gold mine of market research because Google is telling you other things that people are interested in finding out about. So each of these topics are a great idea and allow you to create subset topics for your main topic that you chose. So let's dive into the computer and take a look. All right, sis, so we're back to Google, and this time we're going to use the people also ask tab. So I'm going to put in abs workout, and I'm going to hit enter. And then if you scroll down, you see this tab here, it says people also ask. And this is literally a gold mine because it'll just keep autofilling over and over again. So which exercise is best for abs? Can I do abs every day? What exercise burns the most belly fat? How many times a week should I do abs to get a six-pack? If I click this one, it'll actually add more. So when people are searching this, they're also searching this. How long should my ab workout be? How should I eat to get abs? Let's click this one. And now, do squats work abs? Can you overtrain abs? How often should you work out abs? These are all subcategories that I can use under my main book, ab workouts for women or ab workouts for men or ab workouts at home, whichever one that I choose. So this is a gold mine of information, of market research that you can use to find ideas for your ebook. Step number 5, we're going to do the same as I think, except now we're going to go to ask.yahoo.com. Ask.yahoo.com is a free resource, like I can't believe it's free, that aggregates all the most popular questions people ask about a specific topic. So go to ask.yahoo.com, put in your topic, hit enter, and see what the most common questions people are asking about your topic. Write those down, and let me do a live demonstration of this for you in our computer. All right, so we are going to be using ask.yahoo.com, and this is the search tool right here, and you're just going to put in ab workouts, or whatever your phrase is. I'm just going to hit enter, and I'm going to scroll down, and you see it says quickest ab workout, building workout. What is your ab workout? Chest and ab workout, good lower ab workouts, the best ab workouts. Has anyone discovered an awesome ab workout yet? What upper ab workout? Fat burning ab workouts. What is the best ab workout routine? And you just literally keep searching. They have pages and pages upon pages of results. What are some ab workouts? Ab workouts. And if you look here, you can search by relevance or by time. I like to search by relevance just because I want to know what people are actually asking. I don't necessarily care how long ago they asked it, because if people are asking the question a few years ago, they're probably still asking the same questions now. What are some ab workouts? Abs, truly the best ab workouts. What are really the best ab workouts? Stretches workouts, ab workouts. This is literally a gold mine of free information that you can use to see what people are searching for about your topic. Step number 6, final resource we're going to use is youtube.com. YouTube is owned by Google and does the exact same thing that Google and Amazon does. They autofill search phrases as you're typing it in because they want to make search easier for their users. So go to youtube.com, start typing in your topic into the search bar, and see what top 10 phrases YouTube autofills. And these are all the most common popular topics people are searching for on YouTube within your area of interest. How cool is that? Let's jump into the computer so I can show you how to do this. All right, love. The next resource we're going to use is youtube.com. So you just go to youtube.com, and right up here in the search bar, you're just going to start searching. So ab workouts. Yep. Oh, and it even corrected my spelling for me. So ab workouts for women, ab workouts at home, ab workouts for men, ab workouts at the gym, ab workouts for beginners, ab workouts with weights, ab workouts with dumbbells, ab workouts to lose belly fat. So I'm going to write all of these down. These are the top 10 phrases that people are searching on YouTube when it comes to ab workouts. So you just let it autofill and you write those down. Step number 7, now that you've got all of this data, you're going to go ahead and put it all together on one Excel sheet or one Microsoft Word document. And you're going to look and see what topics, what questions are people searching for over and over again. What are the most common topics underneath your area of interest? This, my darling, is a great idea for your ebook because you know that there is people searching for this information, and you know that you can do marketing to drive people to your ebook once you wrote it, because you can create YouTube videos on those topics. You can write blog articles that are search engine optimized for Google about those topics. You can do Google AdWords campaigns about those topics. You actually have a marketing strategy that you can use to drive traffic to that ebook. Now, if you want a free guide to help you kind of stay on track as you're turning your idea for an ebook into your actual ebook, make sure you grab my free Write Your Book checklist by clicking the link in the description box below. And sis, if you want me to just show you how to create your ebook step by step, make sure you get the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit. In that toolkit, I show you how to write and create your own nonfiction ebook step by step. I actually show you how to publish it as an ebook, publish it as a Kindle book, publish it on Amazon, and publish it as a printed book. So click the link in the description box below to check out the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit now, the sponsor of today's Godlywood Girl video. And my love, if you're not already subscribed to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ as a Christian entrepreneur. So if that's you, hit that subscription button, and God willing, I'll see you at Godlywood Girl. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that Godlywood Girl releases. My mission with the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the Godlywood Girl School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.